Can you solve all these thorax, abdomen, and pelvis questions? Intersection of kidney.
Clear logic. Medulla is sound.
The prefix nepher means bravo. Kidney is the answer. The outer portion is called exactly. Renal cortex makes sense. Word root for renal pelvis. Good job. Pylga works well.
The functional unit of the kidney.
You got it. Nephron fits. Urine production takes place in the. Nicely done. Nephrons is solid. Inner layer. Sharp thinking. Renal medulla is right. Supply the muscles of the thorax wall. You're right. Intercostal arteries is correct. C-shaped structure surrounding glomerulus. Excellent. Bowman's capsule is well reasoned. What is the outermost layer of the kidneys? Great job. Cortex is accurate. Where is the glomerulus located in a kidney? Right choice. Cortex is best. The majority of glomeruli are located in the. Well reasoned. Renal cortex is correct. A surgical incision into the renal pelvis is. Solid response. Pyelotomy is valid. The outer layer of the kidney is called dash. Well picked. The cortex is correct. Blood vessel that supplies blood to the kidney. Great thinking. Renal artery is right. Which kidney structure empties into the ureter? Nice selection. Renal pelvis is correct. Most nephrons are located within the renal dash. Well done. Cortex is right. Filtration of blood in the kidney happens in the. Perfect. Cortex is the one. What separates the abdomen and the thoracic cavity? On track. Diaphragm is correct. Before entering the ureters, urine collects in the. Excellent choice. Renal pelvis is right. Collecting area in center, that is beginning of ureter. Valid point. Renal pelvis is true. What is the main bone structure that protects the lungs? Nice work. Rib cage fits perfectly. The Bowman's capsule and loop of Henle are parts of the. Right again. Nephron is valid. What is the medical word element that means renal pelvis? Correct response. Pyelko is accurate. Blood vessels and the renal calyces are located in the dash. Smart pick. Renal sinus is correct. The major calyces merge to form a single funnel-shaped dash. You chose renal pelvis, correct? Back of the pelvis and contains reproductive organs and bladder. Strong choice. Pelvic is right. What C-shaped structure in the nephron surrounds the glomerulus? Correct. Bowman's capsule is spot on. The majority of glomeruli are located in the dash of the kidney. Good thinking. Cortex is right. Urine is carried from each kidney to the bladder, a tube called a. Smart move. Ureter is accurate answer. Dash is the funnel-shaped structure in the center of the kidney. Excellent. Renal pelvis is well reasoned.
The structure that connects a kidney to the urinary bladder is the...
Sharp thinking. Arita is right.
There are small pores in the thorax and abdomen of insects called...
Exactly. Spiracle makes sense.
Which structures carry urine from renal pyramids to the renal pelvis?
Good job. Calyces works well.
What is the main functional unit of a kidney where filtration occurs?
Well reasoned. Nephron is correct.
What is the name of the cavity where the ureter merges with the kidney?
Nice work. Renal pelvis fits perfectly.
Which structure is a cavity in the kidney that channels urine to the ureter?
On track. Renal pelvis is correct.
Blood vessels, nerves, and the renal pelvis exit the kidney at the dash.
Great job. Hilum is accurate.
Collectively, all of the renal pyramids are considered what part of the kidney?
Strong choice. Renal medulla is right.
Inflammation of kidney tissue and the renal pelvis, usually caused by pyogenic bacteria.
Right again. Pyelonephritis is valid.
How you will get all these quiz questions in PDF books format.
Or
Valid point. Contact Narayan Changder is true.